Okay, here's what the problem statement in question 6 of this exercise says. If 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games? So 60% like cricket, 30% like football. We have to specify what percent of people like other games. If the total number of people are 50 lakh, then find the exact number who like each type of game. So this is the problem. So let's write out the given facts. So people who like cricket, this number is equal to, in percentage, this is 60% of the total people. So people who like cricket is 60%. People who like football is 30%, right? And we have to find the remaining percentage of people who like other games. So total number of people is 100%. So this means that people who like other games is 100% minus people who like cricket and people who like football. So this is equal to 100% minus 60% minus 30%, or 100% minus 90%, or 10%. So people who like other games are 10% of the total number of people. Okay, now we're also told that the total number of people are 50 lakh. So 100% is actually equal to 50 lakh people. So people who like cricket, which is 60%, will be 60 by 100 of 50 lakh. So how much is this? 60 by 100 of 50 lakh. 60 into 50 is 3000. 3000 by 100 is 30. So this is equal to 30 lakhs. So 30 lakh people like cricket. 30 lakh people like cricket. Similarly, football is liked by 30% of people. So 30% of people will be 30 by 100 into 50 lakh. So what is 30 by 100 into 50 lakh? So 30 into 50 is 1500. 1500 by 100 is 15. So this is equal to 15 lakh. So 15 lakh people like football, and we found that 30 lakh people like cricket. So people who like other games, which is 10%, what is this equal to in absolute numbers? So this is equal to 10 by 100 of 50 lakh. What is 10 by 100 of 50 lakhs? So 10 into 50 is 500. 500 by 100 is 5. So this is equal to 5 lakh. So 5 lakh people like other games. So the answer is that 30 lakh people like cricket, 15 lakh people like football, and 5 lakh people like other games. And we can verify that 30 lakh plus 15 lakh plus 5 lakh is equal to 30 plus 15, 45, plus 5, 50. So this is equal to 50 lakh, and this is the total number of people that we have. So the answer fits, and with this, question 6 of the exercise is solved.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.